Hello, I am Manu Aviles-Santiago, Interim Dean at ASU's College of Integrated Sciences and Arts. I'm asking you to save the date. Sun Devil Giving Day is Thursday, March 19. Last year, CISA supporters helped make students' dream into reality. This year, we are ready to do even more. Your gift to CISA does something very powerful. It removes barriers so students can keep moving forward. Right now, more students are choosing CISA for career-ready, hands-on learning, and many of them are balancing work, family, and school. So a donation to CISA helps provide practical resources that make the difference between a student walking away from their education and finishing strong. On March 19, keep an eye on your inbox for stories that show how hands-on applied learning at CISA helps students finish strong and make real impact beyond the classroom. Until then, consider making your Sun Devil Giving Day donation to CISA now. Make a one-time donation or have your gift go farther with a recurring donation that is automatically made every month. Go to the link on your screen to make a gift now. See you in your inbox on March 19.